How to put Snapstreak Story in Snapchat 2026? Here's how to do it. First, open the Snapchat app and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, open the chat with the friend you have a Snapstreak with. Tap on their profile icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down until you see your Snapstreak. Depending on your Snapchat version, you may need to swipe left or scroll a little to find it. If you don't see the Snapstreak, don't worry. Make sure you have an active streak with that friend first. Now, take a screenshot of the page showing your Snapstreak. Next, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Tap Add to My Story. Choose the screenshot you just captured from your camera roll. You can now add text, stickers, GIFs, or drawings to personalize your story. Once you're happy with it, tap My Story to post it. And that's it. That's how you can share your Snapchat streak on your story. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.